Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll set up Python, VS Code and GitHub Copilot on Windows. So let's get started. Now let us install the Python first in a Windows. So just either search for a Python download or either you can directly go for a python.org and in the download section and just click on this hovering on a download. You can click on this Python 3.12.2. At the time of the recording, this is the latest version and soon it will start downloading. So once the download is finished, go to the folder, click on Python, and make sure that you add this checkbox, add Python exe to path, so that you can access from any command prompt, and click on install now. So within few seconds, it will install the Python on your Windows. So Python is successfully installed on Windows. Close and open the command prompt. Just type in cmd and just check for Python version. And if you can see this Python 3.12.2, then it means that Python is successfully installed. Now let us check whether it's working on a application or not. So just type a Python, so you get a Python shell, that is Python command prompt, and try a simple command like print and in the bracket hello world, and it brings hello world. So this is what exactly the full installation of the Python on Windows. Now let us install the VS Code, that is a Visual Studio Code on Windows. So just search for Visual Studio Code, and it will go to the first link. You just click and click as per your operating system. Currently we are trying on Windows, and click on a Windows, and then your download should start here in the. So click on download unverified file. Your download should start. So once the download is done, click on the Visual Studio Code exe, click on OK, and your wizard will come. Click on this I accept the agreement and click on next, 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 install. Once the installation is done, just click on finish and it will launch the Visual Studio Code. Alright, so our Visual Studio Code has been successfully installed on Windows. You can even click in open folder and go to the any work folder. I just create simply VS Code examples, and I'll simply say example 001, and you can select the folder, and then you can start writing your any sort of an application just by creating a file or folder using the Visual Studio Code. Alright, now let us install or set up the GitHub Copilot on a Visual Studio Code. So here in the left side panel, just click on this extension and search for GitHub Copilot. Okay, so you have two, GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot Chat. Just click on install. So it will install both GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot Chat because they both come together. The moment your installation is done, on the bottom right corner it will ask for the signing to GitHub. So click on signing to GitHub, allow, and I'll choose the Chrome. You can choose any browser. It will ask for the authentication, so your email ID and your password. You sign in, and it will ask for you to check your email for the associated email um, for verification code. So I'll just put the verification code that I got, right? And simply yes, and you click on the extension and it should complete your installation. And how you can verify the installation? Here in the left side panel, if you see the chat pop-up with there, an extension will be started. Just click on this chat and your chat window will be started. And if you face any sort of a difficulty in not seeing any sort of a chat, then just restart, just close the VS Code and again start the VS Code. You will get it, and you click it over here in your chat for the GitHub Copilot and start. So I just simply say that hi, and your chat will be started. And you can simply say that write any sort of thing, write Java or Python or uh, Node.js or any application. Just I simply say that write a simple Python program, hello world, and you'll get it all the answers over here. All right, so that's a simple configuration of GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot chat on VS Code. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.